मुरगावात चोरयेची प्रकरणा वाढत आशिल्ल्यान लोकांमदी भयाचे वातावरण पातळला। शेनवारा आलदाबोळे वाठारात एका फ्लॅटात चोरी जाली। चोरान 4 मोबाईल आणि 1 कॅमेरो फारायलो। सुमार लाखभर मोलाच्या सामानाचेर चोरान हात साफ केलो। पुलिसांनी सीसीटीव्ही फुटेजीच्या आधारांतल्यान चोराक धरपाचो यत्न चलयला। पळयात हिरू महालेचो रिपोर्ट।
मुरमुगांव तालुक्यात जे चोरयेची घडणुको वाढत आसात। गेल्या 10 दिसांनी पयले नियरली 4 चोरयो जाल्ल्यो आणि आयज परत आनी एक चोरी जाल्ली आसा। जी चोरी एक दाबोळेच्या फ्लॅटान जाल्ली आसा आणि भितर 4 मोबाईल तसेच एक हँडीकॅम जो आहा वर्थ नियरली 1,50,000 मेरेनची ही चोरी आसा आणि ही चोरी सीसीटीव्ही फुटेजी मेळ्ळी आसा आणि वास्को पुलिसाचो फुडलो तपास करप आहा। हे जे भुरगे आहा जे फ्लॅटान रावताले ते खंय तरी नायट शिफ्ट कामाक वयतात आणि ते 1 बाय 1 रातचे लेट जशे सुट्टात तशे येतात, म्हणून ते तेंच्यांनी खंय तरी रातचे आपले दार ओपन दवरतात, लॅच घालनात आणि सकाळ फुडें 6:30 सुमारास एक भुरगो कोण तरी जो अनवळखी भितर येयलो शिरलो आणि तेंची हँडीकॅम 4 मोबाईल हे सगळे चोरी करून घेवन गेल्लो आसा आणि सीसीटीव्ही फुटेजूय मेळ्ळी आसा। पण चोरयेची घडणूक वाडलेल्या कारणान वास्कोन एक भयाचो वातावरण निर्माण जाल्लो आसा आणि पुलीस हेची फुडलो तपासूय करतात।
We usually don't lock the door. We used to make the jam only because night and all of them will report by 2 AM, 4 AM, 6 AM and all. So not to disturb others, we don't lock the door. No need of knocking. But we almost after the finishing the night shift, we almost like tired and we are sleeping continuously only. So by morning 7 AM something, this person came and taken the belongings from our side. We after by 8 o'clock only we came to know our phone and all things are missing. And from the camera footage we came to know he reported by 7. Before 7 like the 6:58 and all, he came and he looked inside to each and everything, and by 7:15 he taken the things from our side and he went outside.
What all the items you
like one camera is there, it's around 33,000 to 34,000, and camera and the other four mobile phones are there. Each phone belongs to about 20,000 above.
So altogether
around 1 lakh or 1.3 something is missing.
So police complaint has been registered.
Police complaint we have given the letter to them, but they told that regarding this letter and all, like FIR filling and all, it will be a little problem like by giving the documents and also you can give a complaint, we will investigate. And yesterday itself one police came with us for checking the CCTV footage and everything.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, समृता खंडगांवकार आनी संगीता ओली।